These are the vegetables that we're going to be using, and they've all been cut into nice chunky pieces. So we've got some potatoes, then we've got some carrot, then onion, and a red bell pepper. And I've also got a couple of these pork shoulders. So we'll get these cut into small cubes as well, and then we'll put this curry together. Now you don't have to do this part of this recipe because you can just fry them if you want to, but I like my veg a particular way, so I always part boil carrots and potatoes first just to soften them up a little bit. So we'll stick a bit of oil in this pan and then get that up to temperature, and then we'll go in with these chopped potatoes. And the carrots. And we'll add a bit of salt to that, obviously to your own taste. And some black pepper. We'll just let these cook for a few minutes. Now they've started to soften up, we'll put them in a bowl. And then we'll go back in with a little more oil. And then we'll put in this red pepper and those onions. Now they've had a bit of a cook, we'll pop them in with the rest of the veg. So we've chopped these pork shoulders into similar sized chunks as the veg. So back in again, a bit more oil in pan. And then we'll go straight in with this pork. And we're just going to brown this a little, because it's going in that slow cooker until we're ready. But obviously if you wanted to make this meal and eat it straight away, just cook the pork on a lower temperature for longer. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic granules, half a teaspoon of ginger, and 2 tablespoons of medium curry powder. And we'll make sure this meat's got a really good coating. You can use any type of curry powder that you want. I just prefer the medium one, but you could use a hotter one or a Tikka one. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato puree. And we'll go in with some coconut milk. Just use as much as you prefer in this, or start off with a little and then add to it later. And now I'm going to add that veg back in. Give that all a good mix together. And then we'll add some more coconut milk to it. Now we need to bring everything up to temperature and simmer it for about 5 minutes. Now depending on the consistency of how you like your curry, you could add a cup of water to this if you wanted, or you could add a tablespoon of corn flour mixed with a tablespoon water, and that will thicken it up. So this is now ready to go in slow cooker until I'm ready.